Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing makeup in the bathroom. Yes, in the bathroom. The lighting looks so fantastically beautiful, and yeah, I just feel like doing makeup in the bathroom. So let's get to the video. So what I'm going to do today is another video on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Balm foundation in color in shade 13. So we're going to get it crack-a-lackin', okay? I'm going to go ahead and start with my all-nighter setting spray. Uh-oh. I'm going low on it. I'm trying a different technique of how I want this done, how I want to look. Benefit Cosmetics Precisely Brow Wax, because this is what I do, child. I don't want it too bushy, just a little lined up. I'm still going to continue to wear overly big shirts. How did I get this on my shirt? This is a clean shirt. What is going on? This is what the shirt looks like. Isn't it cute? Oh, so cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Balm, and this is the color. I'm just trying a different technique because, child, I'm gonna bronze this time. But look, this is the shade. Boom. Looks nice, and then I'm gonna put it under my eyes. See the difference? Okay. Now this is a tinted beauty balm, okay? This is tinted, so don't expect like full coverage and stuff like that. That's just not how it rolls, okay? This is for the girlies that don't like a whole lot of makeup on. They just like the clean girl makeup look, or you know, just barely their makeup with a little bit of coverage just to show, you know, just some coverage. This does have pink in it, so I think I might need a different shade, but they don't have a huge variety of shades. Okay. Look how it covered my hyperpigmentation. Now, I said in the beginning that this doesn't work well with powder. Now, if you have like a pressed powder, it would do a little bit better. I think it will work well with that, but like a loose powder, I don't know. You taking a chance. That's why I said it doesn't work great with powder. It's a hit or miss. So technically I wasn't lying. Look how good that looks. But look at it. And the reason I get just a little bit more is because I do have hyperpigmentation, as you saw. So I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Bake and Snatch, and I'm gonna go ahead and immediately put this over my eyes because I don't want it to be all blotchy and stuff. So this will like low-key be my eyeshadow. Just a nude color, a nude shade. But see how well it works with that? That looks nice. It looks like I put like a powder foundation on, don't it? I'm gonna use my Urban Decay as a bronzer, because Okay, and a little bit on my nose. And this is like powdered up, so I really ain't gotta worry, you know. Easy. I'm gonna use a darker pink this time. I'm gonna use this one right here because I use that. I like it, as cute, but it doesn't show as great. But this is like more of a rosy pink, like a deep rose pink. Okay, that's a little harsher. So let me show you how to fix it, okay? Don't worry, like you do not have to redo your makeup. Get some setting powder and diffuse the situation. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set this and then add my mascara. Lord Jesus, come on. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Huda Beauty. This is a lighter powder. This is in Peach Pie, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes because it's looking a bit yellowy, and I don't like when it looks all yellowy and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go on my palette. This is my OPV Beauty Spotlight palette, and I'm gonna use the darkest brown I can find, which is Dazzle Night. This ain't even like a true brown though, but it's gonna have to do. But this is the color, that's what it looks like. I forgot that I could do this. Put eyeshadow on my lips to add a liner. I'm gonna use my LA Colors and Old Teddy, and then put a gloss over this while this is still setting. But you see how you see what I did with it? I remixed it up. That's Glimmer. We're gonna see how that's gonna do. Because I do want a little bit of orange. This is it of my video, child. I just used the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in shade 13, okay? And yeah, I wanted to try something different and see how it would work well with a little bit of, you know, bronzing because it definitely needed it. But yeah, as far as this though, I might want to hold off on this because it's a little too yellow, and I don't like when I look a little too yellow. Like I need more of like a balance, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, because I already have golden undertones, and then when you put yellow on top of that, I just like eliminate it with some brown skin. Like it just looks crazy. So Yeah, that's why I added the lighter, the peach pie, so it can like diffuse it down some, you know. But other than that, I like it. This is it, y'all. The products will be down in the description box below or in my storefront. So yeah, y'all check out my storefront, and also check out this foundation because it will be down in the description box below. Y'all can go ahead and get y'all one, okay? Hey, so here is the results, like in the daytime or whatnot. It looks so freaking good. I just want to go ahead and show y'all this before I end this makeup video. I honestly don't think I'll be using this foundation again because I honestly think it's for the dry skin girlies. Like, I like it, I do, but it's for the dry skin girlies. So if you have dry skin, you have parched skin naturally, a win is a win for you, okay? A win is a win for you. But me as a girl with combination skin, you see how it's getting a little shiny, more oils are starting to come through. Like, I like the little radiance look, it's cute. I adore it, but it's coming out a little too much around here, okay? But other than that, and y'all saw how much powder I used, so yeah, it still looks good, but I just want to let y'all know that, okay? All right, go ahead and end the video, girl. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Until y'all see me in my next video, and you will. Bye, you guys. Don't forget to watch the end. I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe, okay? And if you're new, don't forget, I always show, well, not always, I'm gonna show the end of the video, the looks. Bye.